look at the Terminator LED light kit from Race Sport. Because this is an LED light kit, you're going to get a longer lifespan out of your headlights as compared to halogen. Plus, you got great vision at night, and you're going to be putting out 2,000 lux of usable light without blinding oncoming traffic. The installation of this product is really not all that difficult, and it won't take you that much time. We rate this a 2 out of 10, and for this particular application with the Chevy Colorado, only took us about 20 minutes. Just keep in mind though, that might change depending on your application. Race Sport doesn't recommend using this particular LED light kit with projection style headlights, so just keep that in mind. Also, you're going to get a 2-year warranty with this Race Sport product. Thanks so much for watching our video. Today we took a look at the Terminator LED light kit from Race Sport. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those below. Also, check out the description below for product information and numbers, as well as a dealer locator link where you can find a dealer near you who would be more than happy to help you with the purchase or installation of this product. If you like the video, be sure to give us a thumbs up. If you love it, click the bell icon so you never miss a new video when we post it. Thanks so much for watching again. This has been Performance Corner in the Garage.